Creating a feedback loop with email surveys is an essential strategy to keep your customers engaged and improve your product or service. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create one effectively, step by step, and I'll show you exactly how to do it using a software that makes it super simple to manage. First, why should you even care about a feedback loop? Well, it allows you to continuously collect valuable insights from your audience, leading to better decision making. It also helps you build a strong relationship with your customers, showing them that you value their opinion. Plus, it gives you the opportunity to improve your business and keep them coming back for more. So, let's get started. The first step in creating a feedback loop is designing your email survey. You want to make sure it's short, easy to answer, and mobile friendly. No one wants to spend 10 minutes filling out a survey, so keep it quick and to the point. You can ask questions like, how satisfied are you with our service? Or, what feature would you like to see next? Next, send out your survey at the right time. Don't send it immediately after a customer makes a purchase. It's better to wait a few days or weeks until they've had enough time to experience your product. You also want to personalize the email so it doesn't feel like a generic mass email. This helps build trust and encourages more responses. Once you send the survey, make sure you're actively monitoring the results. Look for patterns or recurring feedback and prioritize the most common suggestions or issues. This will allow you to make real improvements based on the data, creating that feedback loop that keeps customers engaged and happy. But here's the key part of the feedback loop: follow-up. After you've made improvements based on their feedback, let your customers know. This can be as simple as sending an email update letting them know what changes you've made based on their responses. Not only does this show that you listen to them, but it also encourages more people to provide feedback in the future, knowing that their opinions will be acted upon. Now, the software we'll be using to manage this feedback loop makes all of this process way easier. With features that allow you to create surveys, automate emails, and track responses, it helps you stay organized and ensures that no feedback falls through the cracks. If you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. To recap, here's the key takeaway. A feedback loop with email surveys is a powerful way to build stronger customer relationships and continuously improve your business. Design your surveys carefully, send them at the right time, monitor the results, and most importantly, follow up with your customers to show you value their input. And remember, take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below to get started with the software we use today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.